Hello and welcome to another episode of HazelDad. We've got another exciting surprise egg reveal today. Take it away, Hazel.
I got this surprise egg. You can't buy these surprise eggs if you're under 3. It says it on here. There's stuff that could hurt a 3-year-old or under. Oh, let me find the opening, please. This little book.
Oh, let me slow down. Let me look.
A book.
Okay.
Let me open it all the way.
That's very nice. Okay, what else? What else do you have here? Oh, what's this right here?
Area.
It's a bow, right?
Yeah, I got the same thing yesterday.
Okay, let me see the sticker. I think that's a different sticker, though.
Yeah.
Ariel.
And I got the same candy.
All right, so another great surprise egg. Okay, take a bite and tell us how it is.
It tastes delicious. And please subscribe and give a thumbs up.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.